Hello student, this is class 9th science chapter 4 and part 8. In this video we will discuss electronic configuration. It defined as the arrangement of electron in different cell is called electronic configuration. Maximum number of electron in a cell is calculated by the formula 2n square. For first cell K cell where n is equal to 1. So maximum number of electron in K cell I mean in first cell is equal to 2 multiply 1 square is equal to maximum number of electron is equal to 2 electron. For second cell I mean L cell where n is equal to 2. So maximum number of electron in L cell is equal to 2 multiply 2 square is equal to 8 electron. So maximum number of electron in L cell is equal to 8 electrons. For third cell which is M cell, for M cell n is equal to 3. So maximum number of electron in M cell is equal to 2 multiply 3 square is equal to 18 electrons. So maximum number of electron in third cell is equal to 18 electron. For fourth cell I mean N cell where n is equal to 4. So maximum number of electron in N cell is equal to 2 multiply 4 square is equal to 2 multiply 16 is equal to 32 electron. Next topic, electronic configuration of various elements. First element is hydrogen. 1 is the atomic number of hydrogen, I mean 1 electron in hydrogen atom. So electronic configuration is represented by 1 because first cell contain maximum 2 electron. In helium its electronic configuration is 2 because maximum number of electron in first cell is 2. In lithium 2 1 because maximum number of electron contained in first cell is equal to 2. So 2 1. Next is beryllium 2 2, boron 2 3 because the second cell contain maximum 8 electron. C6 2 4, N7 2 5, O8 2 6, fluorine 9 2 7, neon 10 2 8. Now the maximum electron is completed in second cell. Then sodium is equal to 2 8 1 because maximum number of electron in second cell is 8. Magnesium 12 2 8 2. In aluminium 2 8 3, silicon 14 2 8 4. In case of phosphorus 2 8 5. In case of sulfur 2 8 6. In case of chlorine 2 8 7. In case of argon 2 8. The next electronic configuration is potassium 19 K19. K19 electronic configuration is 2 8 8 1. We know that in third cell maximum electron is 18. But in case of potassium where maximum electron 8 is filled, then the fourth class is is starting. As in case of calcium 2882. 2882 in case of calcium. In case of scandium 2892. So when two electron is filled in fourth cell, then the third cell is started, and then it is filled with maximum number of 18 electrons. As in case of zinc 30 2818 2 2818 2. So after filling of two electron in fourth cell, then 19th to 18th electron filled in third cell. This is a rule for this configuration.